fresh faces. In today's video, I am going to do an unboxing and review of little Olive scooter for your little ones who are 3+ years of age. So, I bought this scooter for my kid from Flipkart, which cost about 1,400. So, I'll leave the link in the description below. So, as you can see that the product is well packed. This little Olive scooter is very attractive, stylish and is of very good quality. So I am doing this review after 6 months of my usage. So I highly recommend this scooter because of its quality and its design. Your kids will love to use this scooter. So as you can see that the two back tires are pretty colorful with LED lights, and they're designed in such a manner that if you ride faster, the light starts glowing from your tires and kids will love this feature. My little one loves to ride this most of the time. This scooter is highly designed for indoors and you can also use in the park and play area too. There is no need to worry about any balance issue because the two tires are well spaced, which gives the right position to the scooter. So there is no fear for that point as well. You can also see that the packing consists of two colorful ribbons with a small fitting which is used for attaching on the end points of the handle area to give a colorful look to the scooter. Your kids will love this feature. Pressing the red button, you need to gently pull the handle and fix in the vertical position and you will hear a locking sound. That's it, you're done with the fixing. If you want, you can adjust the height of the handle accordingly to your kids' growth by lifting the handle gently and rotating in the pink and green portion area. You can also see that there is a brake provided in the back side with white attachment so that your kids while riding they can gently press the white area and put the brake. But make sure your kids wear a footwear while riding this scooter. There is also a detailed manual note regarding how to fix and use this. So you can get this scooter at its best price during the sale period. Your kids will really love and play this and they'll enjoy the ride too. So that's all for today's videos, dear. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.